Okay, let us see. In concyclic, this problem is very, very important. Okay, 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 4 comma 5, 0 comma C are concyclic. Find the C value. So, solution. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus C is equal to 0. First point answer 2 comma 0. So 2 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into 0 plus C. So this becomes 4 plus 0 plus 4g plus 0 plus C is equal to 0. So 4g plus C plus 4 is equal to 0. First equation. What is second point? 0 comma 1. 0 square 1 square plus 2g into 0 2f into 1 plus C is equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2f plus C is equal to 0. 2f plus C plus 1 is equal to 0. Second equation. Next, what is the next point? 4 comma 5. So 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 5 plus C is equal to 0. So 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus 10f plus C is equal to 0. Okay, equation formulation. 8g plus 10f plus C plus 41 is equal to 0. Third equation. Okay. Now solve 1 and 2. 1 and 2 తీసుకుందాం సార్. What is the first equation? 4g plus 4 plus C plus 4 is equal to 0. What is second equation? 2f plus C plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 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 C will get cancelled. 4g minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Again 1 and 3. 1 and 3 answer. First equation 4g plus C plus 4 is equal to 0. Third equation 8g plus 10f plus C plus 41 is equal to 0. Subtract minus 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 minus. C will get cancelled. Minus 4g minus 10f then minus 37 is equal to 0. Fifth equation. Right? So 8g minus 4g. Now solve 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. GF1. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఫోర్త్ ఈక్వేషన్లో కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ ఏంటి సార్? -2 3 4 -2. నెక్స్ట్ -10 -37. నెక్స్ట్ -4. నెక్స్ట్ -10. Now G by 74 minus of minus plus 30. Okay, so is equal to F by minus 12 minus of 128 minus of 128. So this becomes plus 28 40. 37 into 4, 28 to 12, 14, 148 is equal to 1 by minus 40 minus 8. So G by 104 is equal to F by 136 is equal to 1 by minus 48. So G is equal to 104 by minus 48. Cancel 4 table. 4 2s are 4 6s are. Then 4 12s are. So minus 13 by 6. What is the G value? Minus 13 by 6. So cancellation with the 4 table. Again 2 tables are. Next F is equal to 136 by minus 48. 4 table. 4 3s are 12 16. 4s are minus 12. So minus 17 by 6. So what is the F value? minus 17 by 6. So we got G value, F value. We have to put in the first equation. Note down up to here. We'll put in the first equation, sir. First equation is 4 into. What is G value we got? Minus 13 by 6 plus C plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. First equation is answer. Okay. So minus 52 by 6 plus C plus 4 is equal to 0. LCM 6. Minus 52 plus 6C plus 24 is equal to 0. So minus 28 by 28 plus 6C is equal to 0 because cross multiplication system, sir. 6C is equal to 28, C is equal to 28 by 6. So what is the value? 14 by 3. Okay. Now therefore circle equation x square plus y square plus 2g. G value is what, sir? Minus 13 by 6x plus 2 into f value minus 17 by 6 y plus c value plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square, 2 table, minus 13 by 3 x minus 17 y by 3 plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. But what is the question? Is asked to find the c value. Okay, we are tried. Since concyclic every time ఏం చేస్తాం fourth point substitute చేస్తే 0 రావాలి సార్, బట్ we have to find the value 0 comma c on it. So 0 square plus c square minus 13 by 3 into 0 minus 17 by 3 into c plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. So 0 will be there, c square minus 17 by 3c plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. LCM is 3. 3c square minus 17c plus 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Factorization. 3c square minus 14c plus 14. So 3c common, c minus 1 minus 14 common, c minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3c minus 14 into c minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, c is equal to 14 by 3 or c is equal to 1. Here also we get c value, same value వస్తుంది సార్, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. సో ఎక్స్ట్రా వాల్యూ ఈజ్ వాట్ 1. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ వీఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్. యాక్చువల్గా జనరల్గా ఏం చేస్తాం, వీ పుట్ ద ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్ వీ గెట్ 0, బట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వీ టు వీ టు పుట్ 0 కామా c, దెన్ వీ గెట్ c వాల్యూ. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్, దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్, 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ సార్. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ ఫినిష్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సైజ్లో 1A ఎక్సైజ్లో అయిపోయాయి సార్. వాట్ ఈస్ 3 పాయింట్ ఫార్ములా, సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్, సెంటర్ అండ్ రేడియస్ అండ్ 4 పాయింట్స్, concyclic, all that problems, and the circle passes from 2 point center is underlined. ఇది కంపల్సరీ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నుంచి ఒక 7 మార్క్స్ వస్తుంది సార్. నౌ ప్యాటర్న్ విల్ బి చేంజింగ్ బికాస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ విల్ బి చేంజింగ్ బికాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ సిలబస్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ రిమూవ్డ్. సో సర్కిల్స్లో ఏమీ తీయలేదు సార్, సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్స్లో ఏమీ తీయలేదు, 2 chapters తీయలేదు. బట్ పారాబోలా నుంచి దే హవ్ రిమూవ్ సమ్ చాప్టర్స్, సమ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ దే హవ్ రిమూవ్. వెన్ వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ దట్ విల్ డిస్కస్. బట్ సర్కిల్స్, సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్స్ 2 chapters నుంచి ఏమీ తీయలేదు సార్. సో ద వెయిటేజ్ విల్ బి సేమ్. ఓకే, పారాబోలా, ఎలిప్స్, హైపర్బోలా అనే చాప్టర్స్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్, డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్, వాటిలోంచి తీస్తారు సార్. ఓకే, లెట్ us see. సో లెట్ us కంటిన్యూ 1B ఎక్సైజ్. 1B ఎక్సైజ్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, locate position of the point. Okay, position of the point. So first bit, point is 3,4. Circle equation, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. Okay, now we have to locate the position. So we have to use formula S11 x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2a51 plus c. Okay, what is the formula? S11 formula apply చేయాలి సార్. ఏం ఫార్ములా? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2a51 plus c. You should not put it equal to 0. ఎప్పుడు S11 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయకూడదు సార్. You have to write the value. Now here what are the values? x1 y1 is what? 3,4. And what is the 2g value? Minus 4. 2f value? Minus 6. C value? Minus 12. So what is the g value? Minus 2. F value? Minus 3. Therefore S11 is equal to 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 into g value minus 3 2 x1 value 3 plus 2 into f value minus 3 y1 value 4. Okay, minus 12. Okay, so 9 plus 16 minus 12 minus 24 minus 12. So 25 minus 48. How much it is equal to? Minus 23. What is the value we got? Negative. What is the value we got? Negative. Therefore, point is inside the circle. Okay, point is inside the circle. Okay, one more bit I am taking. Second bit. Point is 4 comma 2. Sorry. Point is 1 comma 5 and circle equation x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Again formula S11 x1 square y1 square plus 2gx1 2fy1 plus 6. Okay, now what is x1 y1 value? Answer 1 comma 5. What is the 2g value? Minus 2. 2f is minus 4. C is equal to 3. So what is the g value? Minus 1. F value minus 2. Therefore S11 x1 square 1 square plus 5 square plus 2 into minus 1 into 1 plus 2f into 2 into minus 2 into 5 plus 3. So this becomes 1 plus 25 minus 2 minus 20 plus 3. So 26 29 minus 22. How much we got? 7. Positive value. So here we got negative value, here we got positive value. Therefore, point is outside of the circle. Okay, what is the point? Is outside of the circle. So if S11 is equal to 0, if you get S11 is equal to 0, then point is on the circle. Okay, now if it is negative, inside, if it is positive, outside, if it is equal to 0, on the circle. So ఇక్కడ సింపుల్గా S11 ఫైండ్ వచ్చారు. దిస్ ఫార్ములా ఇస్ అగైన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. విల్ బి యూసింగ్ S11, S12, S1 ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని అప్లై చేసుకుంటాం సార్. ఇక్కడ S11 ఫార్ములా ఇది. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్ దిస్. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఫైండ్ ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ద పాయింట్. Find the power of the point for circle. Okay, for circle. Now what is the circle equation? Point is 5 comma minus 6. Circle equation x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. Right? Again same formula. S11 x1 square y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Same formula we have to apply. Ikkada what is x1y? 5 comma minus 6. What is the 2g value? 8. 2f is 12. C is 15. G is 4. F is 6. Right? Therefore S11 x1 square 5 square minus 6 square plus 2g, g value 4 into 5 plus 2 into f is 6 into minus 6 plus 15. So this becomes 25 plus 36 plus 40 minus 72 plus 15. So 61, 101, 116 minus 72, 44. So therefore power of the point is 44. Ante what is that we have to do? Simply whatever value of S11 you get, that will become power of the point. Negative or positive, it is irrelevant, sir. Okay, it is a negative or positive, irrelevant. Let us see one more part. Okay, so ante what is that we have to do? Again x1 y1 we have to take same formula. Okay, again find the power of the point. If it negative also no problem, sir. Find the power of the point. P is 2 comma 3. x square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 23. Okay, again S11 formula, x1 square y1 square 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So 2g is equal to minus 2, 2f is equal to 8, c is equal to minus 23. What is the g value? Minus 1, f value 4. Okay, c value వచ్చింది sir. Therefore S11 x1 y1 2 comma 3 2 square plus 3 square plus 2g, g value ఎంత sir? Minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into f value 4 into 3 minus 23. So 4 plus 9 minus 4 plus 24 minus 23. So this becomes 13, 37 minus 27 and that 10. So what is the power of the point? Is 10. Okay, here irrespective whether positive or negative దాంట్లో సంబంధం లేదు సార్. Simply S11 value you have to find out and you have to write the value. Okay, please note down this. Next, find the length of the tangent for circle. Okay, what is the first bit? Minus 2 comma 5 and circle equation is x square plus y square minus 25. Okay, again we have to use S11 formula. Plus c. Okay, we have applied same formula. So what is x1 y1 and what is 2g? Now look at here, 2g is 0, 2f is 0. Why? There is no x term y term sir, there is no x term y later. So c is equal to minus 25. Therefore g value 0, f value 0. Therefore x1 square minus 2 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 0 into x1, that is minus 2 plus 2 into 0 into 5 minus 25. Therefore 4 plus 25, these are zeros, minus 25. How much we get? 4. Now look at here, length of the tangent is root of S11. So S11 formula is applied for 3 problems sir. One is position of the point, power of the point, length of the tangent. So అన్నిటికీ ఒకటే formula sir. But what is the length of the tangent formula? Root of S11. How much it is? Root 4 2. Okay, one more bit. What is that? Is asking length of the tangent. Point is 0 comma 0 and the circle equation x square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y plus 25. Again 2g is equal to minus 14, 2f is equal to 2, c is equal to 25. G value minus 7, f value 1. x1 y1 we know. What is the formula? x1 square y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. x1 y1 is 0. 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g minus 7 into 0 plus 2 into f is 1 into 0 plus c is 25. This is 0, all these are 0. Only what is left over? 25. Okay, so this is 0, this is 0. What is the value? 25. Therefore, length of the tangent is root of S11 is equal to root of 25. How much we get? 5. Okay, so same method sir. S11 find out length of the tangent. So today what we have seen, concyclic మీద c value, that is very important. Position of the point, power of the point and length of the tangent. Tomorrow we will continue with the length of the. With this we can complete second exercise. 1B exercise కూడా అయిపోతుంది sir tomorrow, right?